since we're on the topic anyway, let's go ahead and talk about concussions and traumatic brain injury and the need for some baseline testing. So there's so much that we don't know in today's day and age from the diagnostic capacity that we have with brain scans, but we liken it to the old x-rays. You remember, how much diagnostic property can you get out of an old x-ray? Yeah, exactly, almost nothing, right? But you know, you can tell gross motor function, but it's important to have a before and an after. If you can tell the change, the delta, it's a big deal, and it should be good for you. So the MRIs have come a long way, and you can do a lot of diagnostic properties, but we're not quite there yet in the brain scan. So let's just say that your child is running down the field and they're playing baseball and they get knocked, they knock into the first baseman and they kind of collide, and one sees stars and the other kind of doesn't get to move. All right, not a big deal, right? And then your kid is running the football down the field and takes a direct side impact and is knocked unconscious for a period of 10 minutes, needs to be woken with smelling salts, and is carried off the field. Do you realize that both of those are considered concussions? Yeah, I know. They're both considered concussions. So that's a pretty big deal. Clearly, they are not the same. So what we really need is some sort of objective quality evidence of before and after, because when you look at the beta waves, let's say that you have a whole bunch of beta waves, and we're just going to take this one right here, and they connect, go like this, and they cross sideways, and go over, and go down, and come here. Now, we haven't included here, we haven't included here, we haven't included here. Is that good? Is that bad? We really don't know. Let's say you're taking a look at the alpha side of the house, and it's the exact same thing, or it's just different from the beta and the theta. You know, so whether that's good or bad, we don't really know. Moreover, let's say you're taking a look at the P300, and you notice that they're on the right side, because it's a right side impact, right? On the right side, you notice this tremendous red splotch. Is that good? Is that bad? You don't know. That's why it's so important to have a baseline scan of a child athletes or any athlete, so that we can tell when to return these guys to play at their safest, most opportune moment. We don't want to keep them out of the game too long, but I mean, for goodness sake, sometimes this may be a matter of their health.